Swap USDT to Sol on Phantom Wallet on PC. How to swap USDT to Sol on Phantom on PC. Now, first of all, make sure you are on the Phantom Wallet account. Now, after that, click on swap, and now you can swap USDT from here to Sol, or just go back. And now from here, click on search. Now search for USDT, as you can see here. Now, as you can see, now tap on it. Now after that, you can now tap on swap. Now, as you can see here, you can enter how much you want to transfer or to swap. As you can see, you can click on this, and from here select the Sol, and you can tap on it. Now, as you can see, you can now swap USDT to Sol. For example, you want to swap 100. Now this is how much you will receive, 0.4. Now after that, as you can see, I don't have funds, but in your case, you can now click on swap, and you can swap USDT to Sol Phantom. So this is also swap USDT to Sol on Phantom Wallet on PC. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.